The GDM 47LD is True's double slide glass door merchandiser refrigerator. True's GDMs come in a variety of sizes. Refrigerators come with the option of swing doors or slide doors, and freezers are only offered as swing door models. Made with quality metals, the GDM 47 has a non-peel or chip laminated vinyl exterior available in white, black, or stainless with an upcharge. Make sure to leave adequate room for the cabinet's dimensions. The self-closing doors are made of low-E double-pane thermal insulated glass, keeping energy costs at a minimum. Each door is equipped with a 12-inch long handle and easy removable gaskets. True's optional in-house printing capabilities leave you with many choices for signage, from illuminated sign panels to sidewall decals at an additional cost. On the interior of the GDM 47, you will find LED lighting, which reflects off the NSF-approved white aluminum walls. The floor of the cabinet is constructed of stainless steel. The GDM 47 comes with 4 adjustable heavy-duty PVC-coated wire shelves per door section. The entire cabinet is foamed in place using EcoMate, an environmentally friendly insulation offering zero ozone depletion potential and zero global warming potential. The GDM 47's bottom mount design has many advantages. With a condensing unit on the bottom, it provides easy access for maintenance, top storage, and an ergonomically friendly no-stoop lower shelf. The ENERGY STAR qualified GDM 47 has an oversized and balanced refrigeration system that ensures faster temperature recovery and shorter run times in the busiest of food service environments. Please contact your local food service equipment provider for more information. Certain features and benefits may vary by country or location. True's GDM 47.